Okay, interior's out. Okay, update, steering column's been taken out so that yeah, you can start taking out the body securing bolts to the chassis. One right down in there, one there, another one back here, another one in the boot. We've taken the bonnet off, started disassembling, took the grill out, so get to the bonnet hinge bolts down here. Makes it easy to get the radiator out. So that's all out now, drained. Starting to disconnect the earth cables and brake cables, do the accelerator cable next. But still a fair bit of wrap to go around. But we can deal with that. Okay, it's getting there. Okay, next step in the process, just made up some plates to go on the door hinge there and on the striker plate, so that, let's see if I can do this. So this bar will go between here, between here and here, and weld in, and that'll give the car some structural rigidity when I take the body off. Okay, resto blog part whatever. Just doing some video recording of where everything is tracked. Pads, belt pad there. Wiring loom goes to there. Just in case I need to put something back where it came from. There's a lot of grease built up over 50 odd years. Everything that needs to be blocked off has been, not that there's much. And the degreasing part starts now. Just a side note, check out the amount of oil built up and gunk. It's called the Datsun Rust Prevention Program.